Dadgum good fish compared to what I've caught in here before. But then again, he could be in 5 pounds of grass. Let's start a drinking game. Every time I say grass, y'all take a shot. You won't be able to stand in about 5 minutes. Oh man, I wish I'd brought my net. Come on. Urgh. I'm stuck in this sludge. Oh man, he's not near as big as I thought he was gonna be. I mean, it's the biggest one I've caught out of here. It's the biggest one I've caught out of here so far. But yeah, that's what it was. He was in that heavy grass. All right, y'all drink.